saying we can't do it without trucks. There's no way we can. But back years ago, they pulled up train tracks, and for what? I mean, they could be using them now. There are places now that put them back down. That's how stupid it is. And I don't know. It's just like everything else. You can't figure it out. But go figure. We're running out of highway, and we can't build no more highways. We ain't got enough money to build more highways. We can't hardly build rails. We can't do that. So I don't know where the money's going to come from. I mean, we got a president that thinks that everything's run on government money, and we ain't got enough workers to produce that money. I mean, they can keep printing it, but it just ain't we can't keep on going like we're going.
Well, like the president, big money runs Congress and the Senate, and they're the ones that make the rules.
Yeah.